Hi folks, thank you for watching my video. This is JC Laptops, and we're going to replace an HD on an Asus X401A, and we're going to go ahead and reinstall Windows 8. Okay, as this laptop does not have a DVD drive, then it's going to be needed an external one. So the screws are very easy to take them out of the laptop and screw them, and all I have to do now is just to snap it off. But you got to be careful because there'll be two ribbons that will connect that top part on the keyboard from the bottom case. So whenever you are able to snap it off like that, then you have to go down there and disconnect the ribbons. Sorry that I couldn't focus the camera there, but I'm going to try to help narrating it. Also, there is another ribbon up on the hard drive caddy. There are two screws over there that once you get them, then you're ready to just go ahead and take the 4 screws on the side of the hard drive, and I'm going to replace it for a 500 gigabyte hard drive. That one is a 320 gigabyte hard drive, and the other one is a brand new one. So I'm gonna just snap it in on that caddy. Let's put the 4 screws, 2 on each side, back in place, and we're gonna be good to go. This laptop is not that difficult to open up, and I'm sorry that my camera is not catching up, right close in so that you can see details. But once you open it up, and if you have a little bit of handy, if you're a handy person, computer person, you're gonna be able to figure out things. If you have a hard time snapping it off once you get all the screws out of the place, you can also help it with a credit card. You all know that, right? So there I go with the ribbon. It's one for the keyboard, and the other one, I believe it's for the power button. That might be it. Okay, so you put it first, and then you snap it all in, and it'll be good. One thing is, it's not good to go ahead and screw the bottom case all the way with all the screws on it, because just in case something goes wrong, and then you have to go back there and do it all over again. I guess now I'm gonna go ahead and have an external DVD drive hooked up to the laptop. The only problem is that this model has one USB on one side, USB port on one side, and the other USB port is on the other side. So make sure that you have an external one that the cord is long enough so you can do that job. Alright, so now I'm switching disks. That disk was Windows 7 disk, and I have a Windows 8. This particular model is Windows 8. It is not Windows 8.1 unless you have one and you're really sure it's 8.1. Now when you connect the drive to the laptop, you're gonna turn it down. You can go ahead and do it cold way. Okay, just on the on-off button, turn it down, and then you reboot it. Once you reboot it, it should pick up on the drive, and the computer itself might start on the external drive disk downloading the OS, the Windows 8 OS. Pretty easy that. And then we have to wait a little bit now for the next step. Okay, let me pause this. Alright, we're getting ready now to get to the next step and do some clicks. And there you go. The OS is being installed. And now it's just a matter of waiting until the whole thing goes through, and it's gonna restart. It's gonna, reboot a lot, and then it's gonna come back to you. Alright. Now you're gonna have the chance to log in the internet password, the Wi-Fi password that your house has. So we go ahead and do that, okay? Alright, now we have it installed on the computer, and it should have been activated because it's Windows 8. The computer is Windows 8, so there is no reason not to be activated. So, and now it's I'm narrating over what I've already done, so I know it is activated, and it should be on your laptop. You wouldn't have to worry about that. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead, and the things that I like to do is go ahead and install Firefox. If you don't like Firefox, no problem, just do whatever you like. I myself, I like Firefox because Firefox works nice with Google, and I know when I am researching, when I am looking for things, looking up everything online, then I like the way Google and Firefox work together. Also, I will install Web of Trust. Okay, so I have like 3 drivers that are missing on the device manager. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my disk that I just hooked to the laptop, and then I can have it all installed automatically instead of having to look for them online or on Asus website, which would be a lot time consuming. Okay, so we're gonna do that, and I will show you. If you need it only to install your OS, that's fine. You can stop right here with this video. But if you still have some things that you need to finish up, then I think it would be nice if you keep on watching this video. And I'll see what I can do, and we'll show you every step of the way. There are discs for drivers that you can buy on eBay, and they're very cheap. They're very, very cheap. They are less than $10 each. They might be less than $5 with free shipping. So no worries if you are stuck, needing drivers and you don't know how to get them. Go on eBay and buy the drivers on a disc for your laptop. Okay. So I am about to install the drivers, and I've already, put my disc in the drive. And it's gonna open up and it's gonna install itself. Okay, so I will not need to narrate anything right now. So the computer is ready now, as you can see. I just go ahead and click OK, and then you start like installing all the 3 drivers that are missing on my computer, on my device manager. That is pretty cool. You can see there, because now I approach the camera to the screen, and whenever it is 100% installed, and I will show you the device manager, so nothing's missing, everything's in place, and we are good to go. Now I will install Firefox with Web of Trust, and that's what I'm going to do. If you don't know how to install Firefox, you can go to Google and you can learn it. It's not difficult. It's very easy. I don't think I should do it now in this video because it would make the it would make this video very long. So I'd rather just go over it, just talk about it and show a little bit of it, and then we keep on going. Okay, guys, now I am getting ready to install Classic Shell. What is Classic Shell? Classic Shell is a free software online that helps me to make my Windows 8 look like Windows 7, and I love it. Okay, let me just... Sorry for that. Somebody's playing with me. Classic Shell, as you can see there on the screen, they will look a lot like Windows 7, and that will make it a lot easier for me to work on Windows 8 while I can play with it as it would be Windows 7. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you have any question, any comment, please make your comments. Please like the video, and it will help me a lot if you comment on my videos. And also, you can go ahead and subscribe my channel, please, because I'm going to be posting more videos about laptops, because that's what I do for my life. And hope you all have a great day, and I hope I could help you somehow. Thank you so much. Don't forget about liking and subscribing to my channel. My name is JC, and see you next time. Okay? Bye-bye.